Hi, I'm Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad, and today I want to share with you Facebook secrets, friends list, and how to monetize them. I bet you didn't know that you could create friends lists for your business and further target your market where you can communicate with people that are potential prospects in your business. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you in this short video exactly how to do that. So let's dive in. First and foremost, when you go onto your homepage on your Facebook page, you'll see right here that you can find friends list. Right, it's on the left hand side of your wall, where underneath where it has your name, newsfeed, and all these other things. And when just below where it says explore, where it has groups, you can find friends list. So let's click on that and open it up. And as you can see, one of the things that Facebook does, whether you know it or not, is they already, depending on what you post and who you reach out to or who you connect with, they automatically create groups for you. But the cool thing about this is you can create a list. So what I'll do is we're going to create a list here, and you hit create new list, and you give the list a name, and you have to start with at least one member to create the list. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you a list, one of my lists, and show you how you can utilize it to your benefit and help you to target your audience. So let's pick Total Life Changes. That's an affiliate program that I was in, that I'm connected to. And as you can see, when you create the list, in this particular group I have like 43 members, right? But what happens when you add people to this list, right? Whatever they post comes up, right? You'll have access to whatever it is that they post. And here's the great thing, guys. Through this, you can build rapport with your list. You can build a relationship with your list. How? You can go on to their posts. Like, for example, Craig and Lewis Band, Even Me. They are phenomenal. If you don't know about these guys, they're completely awesome. They're tremendous singers. They were discovered by Tyler Perry, and you know, he utilized them in their plays. But they are phenomenal. Guys, you should check out. So, but how do I interact with this particular person? This is Carmelita Allison, I believe the name is. So what we do is, first and foremost, we like the post, but that's just a reaction. As far as Facebook is concerned, it's a reaction. When you it's not enough just to like their post. So we're going to comment. So what happens is, I'll comment and say something like, these guys are great. You know, and people respond to emoji. So I might find an emoji, you know, to use, and boom, put that there like that. If you want to go a little bit more in depth, you can find something like, you know, a GIF, a GIF, and put something like, wow. And let's find something that's amazing. You know, we'll just use this right now for this example, right? So now you have the comment, and you have the gift, and you make sure that you're here, right? Where you wrote the comment, and then you just send the comment, and wow, look, it shows up there. Now, Allison sees that I responded to a post on her timeline. How awesome is that, guys? How awesome is that? Now, the other benefit that you can do with this, particularly when it comes to your business, is just like on your regular Facebook wall. You see where it says, what's on your mind? Here, not spamming, guys. Please don't spam, but share valuable content. Share something where you connect with the people in your group. Don't just pitch and sell and spam, because what they'll do is they'll block you, they'll drop you, and then you won't have access. But to build rapport, right here, guys, you can share some valuable content. You can share what you're doing. And the great thing about it is when you do post right here, everyone in that group, hear me, everyone in that group will see the post. So this is how you can build your audience, how you can build rapport. You can show up as the authority. You can go through people's timeline. You can help them answer questions that they may have. Don't just like their post, respond to their post, make a comment, and begin to develop that rapport. So guys, that's all I have for you guys right now. This is how you can build a list and monetize it. You build relationships. And then after a while, you can take these relationships and move them over to Messenger and begin discussions and have conversations about what it is that you do. But first and foremost, show some interest, some genuine interest in what it is that your potential prospect is doing. Answer whatever questions that you can have for them. Show up as an authority and watch how you can monetize your list. So on that note, guys, that's all I got for today. Hope you got some value out of this. This is Reggie Pegues, the Prospering Dad. And make sure that you hit the link that will be in the video where you can connect with me directly on Facebook. On that, I want you guys to have a great day. Talk to you soon.